with Rufus, you might not know this, but because we have not done the video of it, you'll see 4 more of those, but we haven't even started building. Today we're building a man. And get your own cubes, but they don't have to be clicking ones. Mine are clicking, so these are the steps. So we'll start off. So, step 1, you should make a C shape, and I bet you know this already. It's the legs. That's right. So step 2. Step 2. Get 2 blocks. This is the body. Step 3. Get 1 more block and get 3 blocks for the arms. You might need the other block for the body. Step 4. Get 1 block there and get 4 of them. You might need 2 in case you don't have clicking blocks. Step 5. Get 1 block at the top, but only if you have clicking blocks. Step 6. Take a photo of it and send it to me. Step 7. I can see it on the line for all of yours. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you had a nice time building with me, and I hope you paused the video because I was going quite fast. Okay, so I'll see you with 4 more, and the next one, I can't tell you until the next video, but please don't miss out any of my videos. But the next one is in Saturday. And